Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can share or hide your Apple Music playlist on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up your Apple Music app. Then tap on Listen Now at the bottom. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. Then in here, tap on View Profile. Next, tap on Edit. And in Edit Profile, go down to the Share Playlist. And in here, tap on the checkbox. And this will allow you to share or hide your playlist. Now I said that this playlist appear on your profile and in search results. So if you want to hide it, simply deselect the playlist checkbox, otherwise select it, and this will appear in your profile and in your search results. And that's it. Tap on the done button at the top to save the changes, and then tap on the back key to go back to your Apple Music Listen Now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.